Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to set up recurring buys in Coinbase. If you don't have a Coinbase account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $10 in free Bitcoin when you buy or sell $100 or more in crypto. Open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a blue Buy/Sell button at the top right side of the screen. Click on Buy/Sell. Now, select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. To select, click on the right arrow on the Buy field. Then you will see the list of cryptocurrencies. Click on the crypto you would like to buy. After that, select the payment method. To select, click on the right arrow on the Pay with field. Then you will see the list of payment methods. Click on the payment method you wish to select. If you haven't added any payment method yet, click on Add a payment method, then follow the on-screen instruction and prompts on how to add payment method. Now to set up recurring buy, click on the drop-down arrow below the amount field. Then you will see several options. Click on the option you wish to select, either daily, weekly, 1st and 5th of the month, or monthly. After that, enter the amount you wish to buy. After entering, click on the button that says Preview Buy. Review the purchase details. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Buy Now. And it will automatically purchase the selected crypto weekly, every month, or etc. depending on the frequency you selected. That's how you set up recurring buys in Coinbase. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.